Spot, a grassroots initiative from Haley Adams, a veterinary educator from Arizona, USA, is making waves in Belize by providing free vaccination and spay/neuter services to communities across San Pedro. From June 30th to July 5th, the program has been working tirelessly to improve the health and welfare of pets, both owned and stray, across the island. But what inspired Adams to launch Spots, and how is the initiative making a difference? Haley Adams, who teaches high school students veterinary nursing in the United States, first fell in love with San Pedro's animal community during a 2007 visit. "I noticed there were a lot of loose dogs and cats," she recalled. Inspired by a local dog named Spot, who mingled with tourists near what was then called Reef Village, Adams launched Spots in 2016 to help address the medical needs of pets, both owned and stray. The importance of vaccination and sterilization cannot be overstated. Vaccines protect pets from life-threatening diseases such as rabies, parvovirus, and distemper, while also reducing the risk of transmission to humans. Spaying and neutering help control the stray animal population and reduce the risk of certain cancers and behavioral issues in pets. To overcome transportation barriers that often prevent pet owners from accessing veterinary care, Spot teams have set up vaccine clinics in multiple neighborhoods. Over the past several days, these clinics have been a huge success, with approximately 380 vaccines administered so far. The clinics began at 9 a.m. and continued until vaccine supplies ran out, with each animal also receiving a new collar and, when available, flea, tick, and heartworm prevention. The initiative has also partnered with Saga to provide spay and neuter surgeries, completing 40 procedures during this campaign. "Dr. Baptiste has been kind enough to sponsor my vets," Adams said gratefully. Reflecting on the community's response, she said, "I appreciate that they feel comfortable enough to bring their pets to us for medical care. I definitely appreciate that the community trusts us." The impact of Spot is evident in the way it has brought the community together. By providing free vaccination and spay/neuter services, Spot is fostering healthier, safer communities and ensuring the well-being of animals and those who care for them. Spot has partnered with Saga to provide spay and neuter surgeries, completing 40 procedures during this campaign. Approximately 380 vaccines have been administered so far, with close to 600 expected by the program's end. Spot teams have set up vaccine clinics in multiple neighborhoods to overcome transportation barriers. Key statistics: vaccines administered: approximately 380 vaccines administered so far, with close to 600 expected by the end of the program. Spay/neuter procedures completed: 40 procedures completed during this campaign, thanks to the partnership with Saga. Vaccination clinic location: Sandy Toes, San Mateo. Days of operation: June 30th to July 5th. The Spot initiative is a shining example of how grassroots efforts can make a significant impact on the health and welfare of animals and the community. By providing free vaccination and spay/neuter services, Spot is breaking down barriers to pet healthcare and promoting a culture of compassion and care. As Spot continues its mission, Adams welcomes community engagement and media coverage, emphasizing the importance of spreading awareness about accessible pet healthcare in Belize. With its commitment to improving the health and welfare of pets, Spot is an initiative that is truly making a difference. "I appreciate that they feel comfortable enough to bring their pets to us for medical care. I definitely appreciate that the community trusts us." Haley Adams. This initiative is not just about providing medical care, but also about promoting a culture of compassion and care for animals and the community. Spot is a shining example of how grassroots efforts can make a significant impact on the health and welfare of animals and the community. Definition: accessible pet healthcare. Accessible pet healthcare refers to the availability of veterinary care and services to all individuals and animals, regardless of their financial situation or geographical location. By providing free vaccination and spay/neuter services, Spot is making a significant contribution to the development of accessible pet healthcare in Belize. This initiative is a testament to the power of grassroots efforts and the importance of community engagement in promoting the health and welfare of animals and the community.